welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to introduce you guys to Kling AI. It's a next generation AI creative studio where you can create AI images. It has been powered by colors, and also you can create AI videos, which they are currently powered by Kling. Okay, in the future there will be also a available video editor where you'll be able to edit your own videos and also the videos which you'll be creating here in this AI videos option. Okay, so once you sign up with your email address, it's pretty straightforward process. You're gonna get yourself 66 credits, which will expire within the 24 hours. So you have a time to actually go and explore what's available with this new software. Okay, some of the works are already been visible here, where you can see what the other people are doing. Okay, so for example, here you got images that all these explanations are being shown here, and you can do once you clone and try it, you can do it, you can this images, doing your own twist and everything else. Okay, so you can test it. If you don't know what to create or how to create it, you can go and clone it and try it by yourself. Okay. Let's go quickly through the pricing options. Okay, so there are 4 options available: a yearly plan, every 6 months you'll be charged, a quarterly plan, and monthly plan. Okay, so monthly plan starts for free. Okay, so you'll be renewed that 66 credits daily by logging in. Okay, then the next plan will be a standard plan, which will cost you $5 a month and will come up with 660 credits. Basically, you will get that's per month. Okay, there you go. There's 3,300 images or 66 standard mode videos. Okay, be available through those credits. Now, the next stage would be a pro plan for 1850, and the premier is $46. Okay. With the pro plan, you get 3,000 credits. For premier plan, you get 8,000 credits. Okay. Now you currently this program is on the flash sale, which gives you a 50% off all memberships plans. So basically, you will be paying half of that, and you'll get the same amount of credits. So it's same here and same here. Okay. So it's something which is currently going on, and it should goes for another 5 days, as far as I can see on this countdown. Okay, so now let's go quickly and do some AI images. What we want to do, for example, we want to put the prompt what we want to achieve with our image. Okay, and there are some hints which you can do, like strawberries, dolphin, bob, sky, it's like house, palm tree, anything else. You can do some other creations here. Okay, so let's say that you don't have an idea, you can pick one of those, and the image will be created for you. Now let's say that I want to create a busy streets of ancient Rome. Okay, and now what we also want to do here is we want to generate works that match the text description based on the style, the theme of the uploaded image. So this prompt will be referencing to the image which we can put here. We don't have to do it, however. If you have an image and you want to use that image, you can do it. Okay, so if you want to add the image, just simply click on here, and you can either go through your click and choose from your folder, or you can simply drag and drop here, and the image will be pre-populated inside the software. Here's the image we will be working on. Okay, so now we want to choose how strength do we want this reference to be on. Okay, so higher values indicate stronger reference strength. Okay, so if we want to be a stronger reference, basically this image will be the reference will be the prompt will be more referencing to the image. If we want that, we just go on that triple plus here. Okay, if we want to less influence of that image to the main prompt, we just go less with that. We go on the triple minus. Okay, let's say that we want to make it as strong as possible. We'll see what's happened after that. Okay, and also we want to you can change the settings. It depends what type of image you want to create. We can do this, you can do that, you want to do something for Instagram or for TikTok, up to yourself. Okay, but let's take with one by one. Number of images, it's 4. Okay, let's take with 3. And okay, so you see this, when I'm going, for example, when the number of images we want to 9, it's gonna cost us 2.7 credits, where we have 66 credits available every 24 hours. So I think 3 images will be absolutely fine. And it's giving you an invoice for that generation. It's quite cool. First time I'm seeing it, so you can have a full breakdown of what you'll be billed for. Okay, so image generation is gonna cost you 0.2 credits. Reference image is gonna cost you 0.1 credit, and you need three different images to be created, so that equals to 0.9. Okay, I think that's quite handy. So you, on every stage of your creation, you know what you are paying for. It's, I think, quite cool. Okay, so let's go and generate it. Okay, and it's generated that for us. All right, so at the moment I don't see any. Here you go. I think it's coming up. It's coming up. It's coming up. Yes, definitely. So we choose this image. Let me open the initial image. Here was the initial image we want to be referencing to, and here are the images which were basically created based on that one. Okay, so here's the reference image, and here's the images being created by the software. Okay, and what we want to remember that we want this reference to be quite strong. That's why those images are very similar to the one we want to be as a reference one. Okay, so now let's go and make it to the very opposite side, which we don't want this reference to be very strong. We want them to be very weak. Okay, and to save some credits, we only want 2 of those images. It's gonna cost us 0.6 credits, and here's the breakdown. Okay, so let's go and generate. It doesn't take long, which is quite cool, because it's only taking you about 10 seconds for this generation to take place. And look at these credits. We were charged, so 64.5 credits now available. All right, okay, because we already done some image generations. Okay, so that's how we can go and play around with those free credits to see if this tool is something you might want to consider for your business. Okay, so now let's look at the initial image. Okay, and those images were being created by the Kling AI software. Okay, I think the quality of those images are quite cool. Okay, so but the reference is not very strong. That's why those images are a little bit different. I like this type of idea where you can actually choose how strong you want this image to be referencing to the initial image. Okay, so this is how you guys have been using this image generator. Okay, the next stage I would want to show you guys would be AI videos. All right, so what we want to do here, okay, let's go and let's paste that once again, that we want to create busy streets of ancient Rome. All right, so if that's the case, that's not we want to go and do some additional features. We want to do some settings. All right, so creative. Okay, so what we want to achieve here, okay, we want to be more creative, or we want to be more relevant to the initial prompt. Now, what I mean by that, if we choose the by creative and creativity level, okay, this video might be far away from the busy streets of ancient Rome, the way we actually imagine that. Okay, so remember that creativity, if we want to choose the creativity to be very strong, this might really differ from the initial prompt. However, if you want to keep that on the opposite side, so we want to be very relevant to what we actually typed in inside the prompt, box. Okay, we want to keep that on the relevance side. Okay, let's say that you want to be in the middle. Okay, we want to be a bit of creativity and relevance. So we still want to see some ancient Rome, busy streets of ancient Rome, but we want to have some creativity on top of that. Okay, two modes available. We have standard mode. Okay, faster generation speed, as you can see here. Professional mode, better visual quality. Okay, if you want, however, to choose the professional mode, you need to upgrade to premium plan. Remember one of those plans I showed you before, which the basic one for the month, it's starting with $5. Okay, so remember that if you want to use the professional mode, you have to upgrade. If you want to just to play around, you still can use the standard mode. Now the length, same here. If you want to go ahead with a 10-second standard mode, okay, you need to go ahead and standard mode. Hold on a second. You don't. Standard mode currently does not support 10-second videos. All right, okay. So yeah, if you want to have the 10 seconds video, you need to upgrade so you'll be able to use the professional mode with the 10 seconds. Okay. If you have a free version, okay, for 66 credits a day, standard mode, and up to 5 seconds. All right, now let's go and choose the frame ratio. Okay, let's say that we want to generate a standard YouTube video. Let's say one of the YouTube shorts. Okay, 9:16. Okay, so let's choose this one. This is quite interesting. Okay, camera control. So when camera control method is not specified, the model will intelligently match based on image or description. Okay, there you go. You got few modes here available for you. Okay, you can choose the horizontal, vertical, zoom, pan, tilt, roll. Okay, and those you starting with those here, master shot. Okay, like right and zoom in, that comes with the upgrade plan. But if you want to use it for free, you can use one of those. All right, so I don't know, let's do like a vertical. And vertical, how vertical do you want to have it? Like, so look at this box here. What is the way that you want to have this being moved? Let's say that we want to move from top to bottom. Okay, and it's level like that. If we have any negative prompts we want to use, perfect, let's go for it. But if we don't, just leave it blank. Okay, again, generation, it's gonna cost us 10 credits for this video to happen, and here is the itemized bill. Okay, standard mode video generation, 10 credits. There you go. Let's go and create and see how long it's gonna take. It's going pretty fast. So far it's 10%. Okay, so that if it's 10%, that's absolutely no problem. I believe it won't take too much of our time to see the final result. And as you can see, guys, the 5450, that's our new credits available to us for the next generations. Okay, so, and remember, those generations according to their pricing plan are gonna be renewed every on a daily basis, basically. Okay, so I will put this video on pause for the time being, and we wait for the final result. Okay, our video is ready now, and it didn't took too much of our time. It's about 3 minutes I had to wait for this to be created. And so let's see and check the final result. Okay, so here's a 5 seconds video, and here's a snapshot. Okay, and as the same, like, remember guys, we requested for this to be vertical, and this thing goes from top all the way to the bottom, say the way like we requested. So yeah, that's a good sign. Yeah, this seems the scenes looks a bit mixed for me. Okay, so I definitely can see the streets of Rome. However, the buildings are quite they are not this is not really what I was expecting, but doesn't matter. You never know with those AI tools. And sometimes they are coming up exactly how you expect it, sometimes don't. Like for example, those people, can you see those people here? Doesn't seem to me to be very like looking like an ancient Romans, but doesn't matter. I just want to show you guys what this tool is capable of. Okay, so let's say that this video is you can download this video if you wish. Okay, let's say that let's go and decrease the speed of that video a little bit. I think that's a good idea, and looks much clearer now. So guys, yeah, definitely it's something which I will be advising you to go ahead and start exploring by yourself. Especially that you have a daily credits of 66 of those. Okay, and you can do few of those videos. Like if you want to do another 5 videos, you definitely can do it. Plus you can do another few of those images if you want, or if you want to stick with the images, there you go, you have still plenty of credits left. Okay, so if you decided, okay, this is the tool I want to use, you can switch to the paid plans, which I showed you on the beginning of this video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, we much appreciate it. Any comments, please leave below. Thank you very much.